This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katrina Cantrell. Fully updated ranch-style home in the highly desirable neighborhood of Lakewood. Open floor plan with 3 spacious bedrooms and 4th bedroom used as work-from-home office. Family room features fabulous cathedral ceilings and wood-burning fireplace which opens to an updated kitchen with white kitchen cabinets, granite, stainless appliances, modern faucet/sink, tile floor, and glass backsplash. Enjoy family time in the private fenced backyard with a screened porch deck, fire pit, ideal for entertaining. Fabulous location just a block to the beautiful Lakewood Park and convenient to Naval Bases, CHKD, Sentara hospitals and downtown. For more information, review the details below.